Rolling. What is the last porn video you watched?
Probably a gangbang.
What is your worst or like most guilty fetish that you hate the most?
I don't hate any of my fetishes.
List them out.
Well, that's another story. I can't do that in an elementary school. Next question.
What if I do this? You whisper it.
Doesn't make it any. Oh, really? ASMR? Nah, I'm not doing that.
Yeah,
Nope.
I'm just video
No,
your mouth.
you're like getting a real close up of all my acne. That's lovely. And now my crotch. No. Okay, what are you doing now? Oh my god, you want to do another meditation video?
No. It's not funny without the filter.
Fine, whatever. You're just videoing me silent. What the fuck? Nice. This bird.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it, please.